So guys, we're actually here again to give you one of those best tutorial that you are going to love. So the game you're actually seeing on your screen is 100% done with AI. I've told you guys the possibilities of AI are endless. Every one of them is done with AI and it is just done within few minutes. So we are going to show you how we did this game so that you also can be able to repeat it in the same manner and also have the same result. As I'm talking to you, this game is 100% mobile. You can play this game on your mobile phone and it's 100% responsive. So if you actually have a little idea about development, you know what I mean by responsive. As in any screen size you fit it on, it will surely go for you. So that is just the good thing. I believe you love what you see, and today we are going to show you how we did this. This video is 100% for educative purposes, so just make sure you stay tuned. Listen to every single word because everything matters, every single process. And at the end of this video, we promise to show you a hack that you use to solve any given problem when you encounter one. In case you've already been in the system, you'll know that some things you won't be able to fix it even when you attempt fixing it. So we're going to show you a good hack that you're going to use and do that. So as I said, stay tuned. Let's go. So this is actually the journey, the beginning, and I'm going to actually tell very simple prompt I'm going to give it. I'm going to tell our AI, which is Grok, now tell him that I need a web-based shooting game. So as you can see, a web-based shooting game, it will come out, so it will go to its work. The reason why you're not seeing go to work here is because I've done it before. So you're just going to follow the prompt exactly to get exact results. So guys, you can see, oh my god, you can see the game it gave us. It said we should game over. I don't really understand the game, but if you actually look here, it gave us an instruction on how to play this game. You play it with WASD. W is up, A is left, S is down, and D is right. Okay, so it's very simple. Aim, move the mouse to rotate the player, and aim. Shoot, press the space bar. So in other words, you can only play this game very well with a computer, but you can also enhance it to play it with a mobile device. So as we continue to go, I will show you that. So make sure you watch to the end and just stay tuned. I will show you another hack because we are going to run into a problem. You could run into a problem, and I'm going to show you how you are going to solve that problem in a very simple approach. Okay, so the reason why I said we are going to run into a problem is because I've done it many times and I actually ran into a problem, and there is only one solution that we have used to solve it. So that is what I'm going to show you. So the only good thing you do for us is to subscribe and like the video, okay, and stay to the end so that you will understand how you'll be able to fix your error when you fall into one. So like I said, you press arrow to start. Let's see. Oh my god. Okay, let's press arrow again. Oh my god, sorry guys, the game is nice. Let me go again. God, actually I'm not actually a big fan of game, so sorry, I'm not surprised that I'm doing it like a baby. I don't know, I'm just so excited. I love the game. I just love the game. So if that obstacle touch you, your one is to make sure you shoot it down, because anytime it touches you, you're gonna die. The game will be over. Okay, that's what I meant. Okay, let's just move forward. I'm not telling you to enhance the game and make it more fun. etc and AdWords. So let's see what next it gives us. We run into a problem. Okay, I don't know. So fix the error. Let's see. You run into a problem. So anytime you run into a problem like that, or you just need to press that fix error. Okay guys, so you can see, so as I'm actually playing the game on real time, I'm actually running into an error in which I don't know why, but you can see it actually enhanced that game. So I'm going to tell it here and right now that it should fix that error for us. So it's trying to fix the error. Okay. So it's doing the coding. In this particular one, no sound. Remember your so the incoming is actually, so guys, I don't know what you guys are saying. The game is nice, right? You press arrow to start. That is that. So I'm going to actually go to DeepSeek to actually perform the same thing for us. I will give him the same code, everything, so that we'll see what he'll be able to do for us. So actually I've given the same code to DeepSeek, everything. So I told him I need a web-based shooting game, just like we did to Grook. So it gave us this, but the code is actually together. So you see, when you have such issue, the only thing you do is say add the code in a single HTML. You just have to type it, say add the codes in a single HTML. Which code is it going to add? It's going to add for you the CSS, the JavaScript, and the HTML in a single base app. So web app, okay? So that is just it. So when we told him that, this is what he gave us immediately. Let's see this game. I don't understand it, as you can see. I will go and read out what it said. So the game is very funny. I'm using my mouse to click, and that is how I get scores. It's a very stupid game, I will not lie for you. So you see what Grook gave us is more better. But remember that everybody understands things differently, so Grook understand it far better and DeepSeek did not really understand it. So we'll continue further. When we continue, say I told him that I don't like it. Can you give me another shooting game? I don't like this and I don't understand it. So all you just need to do is also do the typing. If you like it, I might drop the link. You can go and play any of these games. So I have to drop the he has given us another one. This one he gave us now is very far better. It's a web base. You can see you have a very good interface like every other game. You can see there, you click start and game starts. So let's play, guys. So guys, what are you saying? Are you rating? Are you liking? I hope you have liked the video. I hope you have also subscribed to our channel, because this is the only thing we do in this channel. We'll show you what AI is capable of doing. So, and the truth is that this is just a tip of an iceberg, and I don't know how you feel if the games you play in your phone, you are the one that made it, and then the calculator you use in your phone, you are the one that made it. The messaging app you use on your phone, you are the one that made it. So I don't know how you feel, so just subscribe to our channel, because as we go, we'll be showing you how you can do this all by yourself. Remember, our platform is a tutorial base, so that is, so we actually try our possible best to impact as much as we can in our own capacity. So if you love our impact, why not subscribe? So I'm still playing the game because I don't know, I just love it, but it's too slow. Oh my god. Add live systems and all the rest, add power ups and buttons, sound effects. Also, okay, no problem, you should add those effects. So he added those effects immediately, and this is it here. There. Game over. That is my life. So I'm remaining one life now. So guys, you can see that this is just cool. You can see it's very simple. We are just actually communicating with the AI the way we can actually communicate with every normal human being out there. You can see that the code is very massive, guys. I tell you of the truth, this thing can actually, remember the early days we started with them, what is it called, we started with all this gaming of a thing. These are the things we're seeing in our phones and others, and this thing actually took great developers days, months to build, but within seconds we are able to build this with our AI, and I've shown you the AI you are going to use. So if you have not registered, make sure you just go ahead and register with them. See, the possibilities of AI are endless, because even most of the company that use this AI platform don't even know what these things are capable of doing. I remember a guy was contacted one certain time by Google. That was a stimulation something that he did. Oh my god, the thing was beautiful. So they called him and he showed them how he generated that with a single prompt. Single, not twice, once. So the thing is, the truth remains that there are many things AI can do that we humans have not even discovered. So our own is to discover what they are capable of. So even stimulation process, if you go to our former videos in this channel, we'll show you how we stimulated different things like cars and all the rest. So that is just it. So make sure you subscribe, because this is what we do for you. Alright, so that is that. I'm going back to Brook, okay? I'm going back to Brook. And I don't know, I remember I told you guys earlier that we actually ran into a problem. Okay, if you actually look into this, so if you actually look here, you find out that we actually have an issue here, but that is not even the bone of contention, because the issue we have, we find out that our group was unable to solve it along the line. So that is what I'm going to show you now. Remember I told you it's an hack that you'll be able to learn, and I'm keeping it for the last. You know, the best is always for the last. Let's see. I want to show you, because we actually try to enhance this particular game further. Okay, that is when we actually ran into that issue. We are trying to do more. So I'm no longer telling this thing to give me, this is another prompting again, right? So I told him to give me a web-based game, like a Gun Mayhem. So this is a particular game platform. You can search for them online on Google too. If you want to play, you go and play. I'm not advertising for them, but I got an inspiration, so I have to like tell you where I got inspiration from. Okay, so I thought I need a web-based game now, like so game, and this is what you actually got. So you can see on the screen, you can see you can jump, you can do anything. You can see the limit behind the jumping, right? Then you found out that immediately after that there was no enemy coming any longer. So we are going to fix this issue. So as I check the code, the game is not showing anything, but that was when I was having network issue, so forget about that. The game was showing, so it actually corrected it, which was the same thing. So when we actually move further, I told him to as it fits the runtime error, the second one has an issue, so we'll continue going. I believe he must have fixed it here, so he has fixed it as I said, but still the same issue. After one enemy come, no enemy is coming any longer. So because of that, we said okay, enhance this game and add more features. So all you just want to type, if I'm just getting to this point, tell him to enhance. And again, we need it to be coming consistently. etc. The etc simply means if you know of any other thing, add it. You understand? That is necessary. So we have told him, he has gone to work, he returned, and this is what we got. So you can see we now have multiple enemies. It's only this game that people need more enemy in this life, but in a real life situation we don't need enemy. So guys, funny thing is that my enemies can shoot back and front, why me shoot only front? But I can dodge my enemy bullet shot, no doubt. Control won't be able to play this game on a mobile device. You can only play it on your computer base. So this is where we need that hack to work. So we tried 1,000 times with Grooks, as I am showing you on the screen. I'll be showing you step by step that we try. I spoke all the English. I speak all the English I need to speak, and I spoke it for it, but I did not still understand. So don't mind me, I'm just joking for the speak and spoke. So as I was saying, I say cross check, my start button is not working. So we cross check, he did everything, we gave the code again, we found out that the issue continues, right? So because of that, this is where the hack now coming. When you actually run into a problem like this, the only thing you are going to do is to copy the same code. Look at the code here. Copy the code, take it to either DeepSeek or Cloud AI. Tell them that this code is not functioning, especially DeepSeek is good at it, or Cloud AI. Tell them that this code is not functioning, that he should fix this code and make it work. So I'm going to Cloud AI. So because I'm there right now, so like I said, I've done it before. So we'll go to the beginning of the whole thing. I say check this code and make necessary correction and fix the start button that is not functioning. I told him, say please handle this task as a senior developer. So immediately he went to work, he fixed the code. So he returned back to me, say I've completely fixed and rebuilt your problem shooter game. Here are the improvements I made. Major fixes. Number one is they fix the start button, which was the major challenge on Grook. As you can see here, sorry guys, as you can see here that the start button is not working. Look, I'm clicking, it's not going. So the issue has been fixed here according to him. We'll check it. It says fix start button game, properly implemented the start button functionality, added game statement management, start, play, game over, complete game logic implementation, enhanced control, game features added, technical improvement and visual enhancement, game features, move arrows and all the rest. All these are English. So when we go back to the code to see if Paraventure did what we want him to do for us, you can see how lovely this look. So I'm actually just going to just say copy link. link has been copied. So let's see what it gives us. Let's see what you have here. Wow, look at what we have here. It's a platform shooter. How to play: movement of arrow key up, left, right buttons, jump up, arrow or up button, shoot with space bar, switch weapon with 1 2 3 key or switch button. So in case you are using computer, use 1 2 3, but in case you are using phone, because this is a game device, you can use it on your phone. It's mobile friendly. So let's see if it's working. You see guys, it's working. Even my enemy have a life, and me myself also have a life, and there. If I get injured, I can go and fix myself with medical equipment and all the rest. And then okay. Oh my god, I need to switch weapon. Right? Game over. So let's play again, because this is the major game I love most. Okay, so let me switch weapons. Switch. This is the pistol. So there could also be further enhancements here. Don't get me wrong, there could be. So once my life gets depleted, I go and fix myself. And remember that I can also dodge their bullets. Let me switch weapon. Rapid. Let me switch again. So that is just it, guys. Is this not fun, guys? Is this not fun? So if you love the game, just tell me that it's cool, make your correction. If you want us to make further enhancement also, you can just state it on the comments. Like I said, I will be so glad if you will subscribe to our channel. We just started newly, and I promise to give you crazy things like building your calculator, your messaging app, different things you can think of. Different things that even that most of the time have not even come to your heart. Like I always say, I don't see AI as a threat. I see AI as something that will help us. And the thought that AI will do better than us, like Elon Musk was saying this last week, I think, that AI is better than a professor. That is wrong. I don't believe that. AI is not better than me. That is not even a professor. But the only thing I will say that AI will help us, because I just believe one thing: the created will not be better than the creator. It's human that created AI, just as I showed you, and the possibilities are endless. So just enjoy the fun that we actually get from this whole thing. So I'm just enjoying the whole scenario. So if you actually remember the early days when this industry started, it was like this will actually take senior developers days to build, but today we are able to do it within minutes. You see, I remember around 2000 and within 2009, I think. These are still one of the best. If you actually see something like this, that doesn't mean you don't have PS, but in terms of fun, guys. So I just it. I'll put in the link for you to actually go and test all by yourself. And the most important thing here is that you have seen what is possible. So I enjoy the possibilities as we continue to move together on the journey.